Hey, Michael Nurok here. I'm on the Euro Yen on the 4-hour time frame, my favorite time frame. You can trade this system on any time frame, but it depends on where you're at as far as time availability. But take a look. 3 out of the 6 high time frames are in the direction that I'm looking at. It is bidirectional. Okay, it is an aggressive trade. But look where this trade is. Look at the height. It's gone up and up and up, and that's been great. And the Profiteer system has predicted that throughout the time. But there's great opportunity to the downside, great reward and potential profits here. So I'm going to take this trade, and here we are. We've got the trade open and the stop loss dynamically placed just above that slow moving average part of the system. Now you can adjust it to wherever you like, but I've got it placed around there. So 70 pips risk, 150 pips to the recent low, the recent key low, or 110 depending on which way you look at it. Or just under 300 pips and 330, 340 pips to the recent key lows. So, that's our ultimate target right now. I mean, obviously, if it goes even further, fantastic. But, right now, let's take one thing at a time. My trade management is in place, so I'm all ready to go, and I can adjust that if I choose to. But for now, I'm happy with this trade. Let's see where it takes us. I'll be back as soon as I have another update. Cheers. Okay, back, and take a look at this. First trade completed, just retraced on itself after locking in profits automatically. So 1368 in open trades, or open trade, and 1310, 1,310 bucks in my closed position. So opened it just here, 121.66 as a sell, and made it all the way down to here. So quite a few pips, very nice profit, nothing to sneeze at, all on a one lot trade. So my second position, which is currently open, I've got locked in profits. So if it goes against me, so be it. That's life. But if it goes in my favor and it's still looking strong, as you can see here, it's now a full-on downward trend with 5 out of the 6 high time frames pointing down. So very strong. If we get a nice another swing to the downside, put your party hat on. That's a great trade. And of course, now I'm just riding the trade for as long as it'll take me on a full-on downward move, and keep on dancing while the music plays. So I'm going to pause the video right now. I'll get back as soon as I have another update. Cheers. All right, now that's what I'm talking about. $1,310 in the closed position that's been added to my capital. My open trade currently $2,043 floating around, and things are looking good. 5 out of the 6 high time frames are now downward, 175 pips in profit right now. If I close out now, my stop's placed at 100 pips, so it's going to continue to trail as this trade moves in my direction, or I can move the trail or the stop at any time. There's about 150 pips still in profit to be potentially had. There's no guarantee that will happen, but looking really good. Locked in profits on my open position, closed to 1,300 bucks on my first position, and I will update you again shortly. Alrighty, take a look at this. My second position has just been taken out for just over 1,700 bucks. A total of what is it? 3,027 bucks. My first position, of course, closed here. My second position, I'll just bring that on the chart, made it a little further down. We had another move in stop that locked in some more profits, and just over $3,000. There's there's a nice cruise or school fees for a term or whatever it happens to be that you're wanting. Look, the trade's still in a downward trend. I'm going to keep watching this pair for another swing to the downside. We're on full downward move right now. If it changes, then I'll look to the upside. You know, my only loyalty is to the market, and I try to follow it as best as I can. That's what it's all about. So anyway, I look forward to helping you out with the software resources that I can share with you, the training that I can provide, and the community that we're building. I'm really, really proud to be able to offer that to you. So until next time, good trading, live well, and I'll see you soon.